sa lalaki.
Yung pagkain na kaya doon. 11 pa daw papasok sila Kathleen eh. Sabi ni Grappa.
Nahuli mo, 20.
Anong sa'yo?
Oo po.
Sa punan nyo kanila. Isang pwesto lang lahat na kita. Alay, isa ka dyan mo yun.
Hawis na eh. Hawis na. Tanggalin make-up eh.
Dalawa wash out na eh.
Mabisisip yung kapsin eh.
Init yan. Init sa loob.
Pinagkaalan niya si Prasa sa meeting cotton buds to remove the seeds for a belly. Rachel consented writing to an operational dance with the use of a mistake called Bakman. Pinagkaalan sweet dance is one of the main attractions during the week-long celebration. Pinagkaalan dancing is the welcome to vegans after the Ilocano Club. This festival was started in 2002 to showcase this traditional weaving craft that is said to pertain the arrival of the Spaniards. The Pinagbaton originally came from Palayalos Norte. It is characterized by a variety of activities that are related to the Ilocano's way of living. Pinagbaton Festival, also known as Viva Vitan Festival of the Arts, was created to promote awareness of the city's cultural heritage and centered on the new weaving industry of the city. Thus, transform favorable destination images and loyalty among visitors and tourists attending to the festival.